Welcome to the Small But Mighty Marketing Moment, where we share a short message designed to help you cultivate the strength, wisdom, and mindset necessary for having confidence in your work and in the world. Each one of these messages is based on years of working with marketing leaders from small but mighty marketing teams. For more, you can visit us at agurian.com. Showing up for our community, the power of voting. Today I want to take a few minutes to talk about something that's close to my heart, being involved in civic and community life. Many of you know that I try to stay active in our community, whether it's helping organize St. Paul's 4th of July celebration, volunteering at food drives, or doing overnights at a local shelter to support those facing challenging times. I believe that showing up for each other is essential. One of the most meaningful ways we can show up for each other is by voting. Tomorrow, November 5th, is Election Day, and I can't stress enough how important it is to get out there and make sure your voice is heard. Voting isn't just about selecting people for office, it's about shaping the future we all share. Every single vote contributes to decisions that will directly affect our schools, our parks, our public safety, and other aspects of daily life that we either take for granted or that we truly value and are worth fighting for. Voting is more important today than ever. Our recent political climate has been very divisive, but we must show up to vote because every voice matters, every perspective counts, and because while we have our differences, we must, as the preamble of our Constitution reads, work to form a more perfect union. Things are far from being perfect today, but your vote can change that. So if you're wondering about your registration status or need to find your polling location, Minnesota makes it easy. Just visit the Minnesota Secretary of State's MN Election and Voting resource at www.sos.mn.gov/elections-voting. You can check if you're registered, find your polling place, and even see what's on your ballot. I hope you'll join me and thousands of others in stepping up to make a difference tomorrow, because when we show up for our community, we're not only honoring our own values, but we're also shaping the future for everyone. Thanks for tuning in, and let's get out there and make our voices heard. If you like the messages that we do here and would like to get them via email when they're published, you can sign up at agurian.com/marketing-moment.